How to use multiple monitors and link charts in TradingView. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this guide, I'm going to show you a powerful setup that can seriously improve how you analyze the markets. We'll be looking at how to use multiple monitors with a TradingView desktop application and how to sync or link your charts together for a smoother workflow. By the time you're done watching, you'll know how to spread your charts across more than one screen, monitor more information at once, and create a workspace that feels cleaner, faster, and more professional. This is perfect if you're new to TradingView or if you've been using it for a while but never touched these features. So let's jump straight into it. Before we start, quick heads up, I'm only able to record one screen at a time, so I can't visually show both monitors together. That said, everything I explain is very easy to follow and you'll be able to replicate it instantly on your own setup. Alright, so making sure that you have the TradingView desktop app open and that you're currently on the chart you want to work with, open another chart in a separate window. All you need to do is use a keyboard shortcut. So press Ctrl with N. That's Ctrl and the letter N, which you can remember as new window. As soon as you do this, TradingView launches another chart window automatically. This is a game changer if you've been limited to a single screen because now you can spread your charts across multiple displays and free up a ton of space. Once the new window opens, look at the top where the chart title is displayed and click on it. This allows you to confirm which chart you're editing. After that, simply drag the window over to your second monitor. If this is your first time working with dual monitors, you'll immediately notice how much easier it is to compare markets or timeframes side by side. It really starts to feel like a professional trading station. So now that you have more than one chart open, let's make things even more efficient by linking them together. This saves you from repeating the same actions on every chart. So to do this, go to the layout or chart arrangement icon near the top of the TradingView interface. It usually looks like a grid. Clicking this will show you several layout options, letting you control how charts are displayed, whether in one window or across multiple windows. Inside this menu, you'll find options that allow charts to communicate with each other. You can choose what gets synchronized, such as the trading symbol, time interval, crosshair movements, time scale, or visible data range. So once you have set this up, your workspace becomes much more flexible and responsive. So don't stress if it takes a bit of experimenting to find what works best. That's totally normal, and even experienced traders tweak these settings regularly. So that's it for today's video. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.